You guys ready?
Welcome to your new home! The rush is on because we are doing the family reveal in just a few hours. We've got camera crews, multiple camera crews, construction crews, our install crew, our styling crew. There are people walking through and touring the house that I don't know. There are so many people in this house while we are trying to get like the still, quiet, beautiful shots. This project came with a photography deadline unlike any we've had. This house goes public in 2 days for the Parade of Homes tour, which means press imagery has to be out in the next 24 hours. So the team is shooting and editing around the clock to make it happen.
Can you go in instead of coming out?
Some behind the scenes shots really quick.
Can I sneak by though, real quick before you?
Yep.
I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry.
Let's bring this up first. Yes, so pretty. So pretty. So pretty. Okay. All right, we are shooting. Gorgeous.
It's nearly impossible to get a clean shot with all the landscaping going in at the same time. We're still trying to finish things. We are literally moving plants around between frames. This is definitely our most unusual shoot ever.
Woohoo! We just landscaped. Gorgeous.
The family is going to be here in like 15 minutes and we're all rushing to clear all the camera equipment. We're like water bottles, sweatshirts, we're just finding stuff everywhere and we're trying to clear it all out so it feels fresh and ready for the family to see. Okay.
We are like seeing the finish line, and so I'm actually feeling really excited. I can just feel the energy from everyone else here, even today especially, that we're doing this. Like, it's a little bit giddy, it's exciting.
We really were trying to create a sanctuary for the homeowners.
This team is incredible. When you're working with a great builder, it always comes with great people all around them, so it's been just a really fun collaboration.
There's always hiccups along the way, but the client has been super trusting during the whole process and wanted to see our vision through to the end. The project, it's 30,000 square feet, so it's no small feat. I think it's been fun to just push it to the limits, and it paid off.
I've been emotionally and creatively invested in this project for 3 years. I tested every creative limit I have, and my team's too. There were moments I wasn't sure how we'd pull it off. 10 years ago, I didn't believe I was capable of something like this, and here I am, standing in it. To think we designed a home, one that will hold so many memories, that will grow and change with a family for years to come. That's the part that gets me. It's powerful in a way I'm still trying to process and put into words.
Welcome to your new home!
You can't go in, he's already crying.
You guys nailed it. Five seconds. Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
It feels like I've never been here before or something. It's completely different.
It's come a long way since you were here
yes.
last. Behind this tapestry is the TV. So it rolls up and you can see it.
Oh my goodness. That's cool.
I have never had a client who then like chose to stay away from the house during an install or like a couple months prior to the home being built. Never.
I've been in almost every design meeting with the house and the detail and whether it's the interior, the exterior, the landscape, all these decisions. And I thought, you know, I want to have a fun experience where I get surprised. And so that's what we decided to do. I'm so glad I waited. I'm so glad. This is so cool. This is rad.
So beautiful. Yeah. So we have You love to bake? Let's go back to this other room because it's made for baking for sure. Look at this room.
Holy cow.
Okay, so that was your dad's idea.
Oh,
the copper pots.
And so of course I've been part of every design. And my wife, she also wanted to be surprised. So Woody has not seen like anything until she came.
Then our clients, like a painting of our client's Grammy is going here, which is very sweet. So that's going to be a surprise for the owner. She doesn't know that's coming.
Oh, and there's my Grammy. Oh, I love that. I was not expecting to see Beverly, but there she is. It's like perfect. Every single detail is like perfect. No, I cannot believe this is our house.
Look at that tree that's in here.
Okay, nobody look. No peeking. No peeking. No peeking.
Oh my goodness. He's my movie buddy. You ready to watch some sports in here or what? Yeah. What's that?
I sat in this room and I said, you were right.
Yeah,
Just so you know, you were right. The theater here is amazing. Getting to do a reveal in that way that was like full TV style reveal where you were kept away and see the excitement and just feel it. Oh my gosh, I've never experienced anything like it.
It feels so perfect in there though, like so perfect.
All right, we're gonna keep going. We got a couple of stops.
Yeah,
and then
we
we'll
got
okay?
a few more places to look at.
Originally, the homes you were sharing with me weren't in line with my vision. And so, why I said no, okay? Like,
Yeah, what the heck, Shay?
I have to defend myself. I don't just, you know. If we're gonna do this, we're going to create a generational home that lasts beyond your family and me. And we're gonna do something at this scale. It needs to be curated down to the very inch.
And I think that's the experience that I had coming in the house was you didn't just see the design, you felt the design. That's what it was. That's what it felt like. I just walked into just a feeling.
And a group of artists painted these walls. The little mouse right there is my favorite little.
This is so cute.
Please no one break that glass.
Oh, the colors in here are just phenomenal. Oh, this looks way bigger, like with furniture in it.
Look at that table.
Holy cow. I'm serious. This is just, it's blowing my mind.
It literally does take like several days to wash all of our clothes for the week.
You're gonna do your laundry in here?
And I actually love this.
I'm so glad.
That was totally my idea.
That's totally your idea. Oh, I love this so much. Yep. Do you know who that is?
That's Grammy.
That's not me. That's Grammy.
Or some other gear right now.
This is awesome. This is so amazing. This is the happiest room in the house.
Makes a good wall.
But I think one thing that this house rings is legacy. There's many people that came before us. We stand on the shoulder of giants and our family. And Whitney wanted us to feel and experience that. You know, we had just a simple plant that's outside of her office that she got from her grandmother's backyard, or the painting on the wall or having all the kids' pictures, in her office.
Oh, I love this. Wow. Oh, you guys.
Your office, huh?
It's so gorgeous. Let me just look around here.
Oh, she loves chocolate molds and chocolate factories, so we found her this little chocolate mold.
These are antique maps that we found of all of her favorite countries she's been able to travel to.
God, you like put in like every single like thing to make it our own. You like love all of this in here.
This is Mom and Dad's room.
Oh wow, this is gorgeous.
Oh, the waterfall.
We'll spend a lot of time here. It's beautiful, it's great.
I'm really glad you wrote that strongly worded email.
I'm trying, like my brain's like, here, waterfall, over.
Really enjoyed hanging out in Whitney's closet today. I'm not gonna lie, I was like, it's pretty nice. I can use this. Thanks. Guilty. What's so cool is that I have learned so much from you in your ability to shape a team.
As the parade rapidly approaches, this is like such a tight timeline. It's not a cookie cutter neighborhood or house. And so it's how do we, get this all done in time? And I think, with anything, when you hire the best team and you set the vision, you just get out of the way and you let your team make magic happen. When pressure comes, you got to just trust the team that you put around you to make something amazing.
Okay, now we're ready.
All by myself.
Low-key Tile is low-key majestic.
All your ocean stuff. Little animals and stuff. In the blue.
Okay, so on the other side of the hallway is the boys' lounge.
Let's go, boys!
Oh my gosh, I love that so much. I love these colors of these tiles too.
That's so cool. I forgot about the basement.
Just you wait.
It's majestic.
It's getting there.
Oh, the couch is perfect!
Oh my gosh. Holy cow.
He's like, okay, now I'm going to tell you the real story.
This is called Oxford Road. It's a collection of homes and it's named after the street I grew up on when I was a kid. I wanted to create a space for my family and friends and people that we love to just kind of gather together and create these meaningful moments with each other. That was kind of the vision for kind of the neighborhood and for this home. I've had an amazing career and all kinds of success in my personal life. But the most important thing to me and my family is actually spending time with each other. And so, we wanted to treat designing and building and creating this neighborhood as serious as anything. And I think a lot of people look on the internet and they see a cool room and they see beautiful design. They're like, oh, that's amazing. Look what Studio McGee does. I think they got to come and experience and feel a home because it takes it to a whole nother level. Oh, look at this. You know me.
Is that your first crumble box, Dad?
Oh my goodness. Let's play some pickleball instead.
What makes the difference for a home like this is who you're building it with. From day one, McGowan Custom Homes brought the craftsmanship, the patience, and the problem solving it takes to turn an interior vision this detailed into something real. The craftsmanship is incredible. Every single detail and transition was brought to life with precision and execution unlike any I've ever seen. We loved working with them, and you simply don't get a home like Oxford Road without a build team this good. It brings me to tears, not sad tears, pride, for my team, for what we made together, for the fact that it actually came to life. 3 years in the making and the most ambitious project we've ever designed. This is Oxford Road. I'm Studio McGee, and I will be taking you through this beautiful estate room by room.